Trinidad I get caught up in a war.
Freak, are you kidding me?
No. The whole of Jamaica mash up. Look like them use the half program for them. You know see what I'm going on there? They want to take over the Caribbean. Fire!
If you want war, then we will go to war. Ain't no talking, I'll send you to the Lord. Rather have peace, but I'll kick in your door if you want war. If you want war, I'll send you to the Lord.
Forcing growth is not no kindness, is control, disguise and scare. Who you want to fool in a year? You're burning out your ego plus a dragon and they be come on a lion, me no fear. The whole of them a kill the children, them after all. Them no give a them want fight for the Isle. Now me have to protect Empress and my child. Hail King Selassie I. Not chase nobody who no see my value. Love, approval, validation. Me nah look for no accommodation. I just one Lionheart Nation. Solitude is my home. A long time me no use scissors and comb. Me just quietly, completely successful. People bad talk me, but them people awful.
If you want war, then we will go to war. Ain't no talking, I'll send you to the Lord. Rather have peace, but I'll kick in your door if you want war. If you want war, I'll send you to the Lord.
Sometimes say ain't nothing, it mean everything. Hail the king. Them not really want to feed the ghetto youths. Them prefer drop bomb and a waste money too. Cause them success outside but them hollow within. Me not judge them but me not go join them. No anxiety around me and no drama. Me just a protect me karma. Success built from within out. So tell the wicked them watch all of their mouth. Enough of them a say them a soul and them a damn scout. I don't know what that is all about. Them say I'm unrealistic for dreaming differently, but me just rest and enjoy my success. Like a baby with a pony mother breast, I choose to rise above all of the rest.
If you want war, then we will go to war. Ain't no talking, I'll send you to the Lord. Rather have peace, but I'll kick in your door if you want war. If you want war, I'll send you to the Lord.